Okay, so sorry, there was a really bad smell, but now it's gone. I don't know what it was. I'm gonna close this. But anyways, hey guys, I'm gonna have to make this a quick video because I'm fixing to have to get ready for tumbling, and it sucks. But anyways, today I'm gonna be showing you a slime collection. And I've already done one of these before, but I deleted it. And this is a different camera angle because I don't know where my stick thingy went to hold up my phone. But yeah, I'm going to have to do it with this angle. So, I'm going to go get my slimes. And these are all 6 of my slimes. I have 4, 5, 6. I'm going to start with these ones, and I'm going to do this one and then this one. So, let's get going. And I'm going to tell you what their names are. So, all my slimes are right here. And this first slime is called Greener Grass. It's just green. And I really like all of my slimes. I don't have a favorite. Actually, I do have a favorite. My favorite one is the one I'm going to be showing you at the end of the video. So my last slime is my favorite. Which you probably already seen it since I showed you which ones. Whew. Oh, I like doing that. That was cute and fun. And this is like... No, never mind. Okay, let's do these. I know this is a Christmas plate, but oh well. And I'm doing this on a plate because this is cloth. So, yeah. It usually makes a popping noise. And it just goes in this little container. On to the next slime. This next slime is called Ocean Breeze, and it is just this teal color. And this one is really stretchy. All of my slimes are really stretchy, and all of my slimes are fluffy slimes. Okay, I'm just gonna let this drip down. Perfect. Let's just smush that together. So, yeah, that was that slime. This is the one that usually makes all the popping noises. But there's... all of my slimes pretty much make popping noises at least once. On to the next slime. So the next slime is called Bubblegum Pink because the pink is like a bubblegum pink. So I just call it Bubblegum Pink. But, yeah. And I brought this one to school today because I like to bring slimes to school for at recess. Because I'm only in 4th grade, so I still have an actual recess. No judging. But I'm going into 5th grade. My graduation is on the 23rd, May 23rd, and May 23rd is my birthday. Let's see if we'll do a popping. Yeah, just kind of did it. And I try to put all of my little slimes in their matching colored containers. On to the next slime. This next slime is called Purple Grape. It's a purple container and purple slime. All of it in there. Okay. And this one's just a very dark pastel purple. Like it's pastel purple, but it's a little bit darker than pastel purple. See if we'll do a popping. Yeah. So if you hear that motorcycle that just went by my house, I'm putting all the slimes that I've already done in a stack over here. On to the next slime. So this is the next slime, and I tried to make it bubbly slime, so I let it sit without me playing with it. And I'm gonna, because I like the popping bubble noises that it makes, so I'm gonna see if we'll do it. I love that noise. I don't like poking it in the container because sometimes it will pick the container up and it will make the container like go up and slime down. But this is my first slime that I made, so it's not that good because so the first time I made this, I used blue glitter glue, blue food coloring, shaving cream and contact lens solution. And I thought I needed more contact lens solution than shaving cream, but I needed more shaving cream. So this one's like really like moves on its own, like melts. But it's still really cool. This is, I call this one my, I always forget it. No. I almost called it Blue Sky, but it's not Blue Sky. That was one of my, I used to have a slime named Blue Sky, but this one is called Blue River. Blue River. And it just fits in its container perfectly. I like to poke it in the container. Wait, and I'm just going to tear a little bit off to show you the glitter in it. These little pieces of glitter. Just fits perfectly in this container. Set that one. Now I'm just trying to do the yes. And all of these containers, this one, and this one came from Walmart in an entire, they came all in a set. On to my last slime. My last slime I made a few days ago, and I didn't know what to name this one, so I let my mom name it, and she named it Red Velvet Slime, so it's called Red Velvet. And this is the biggest, fluffiest, and stretchiest, and pokiest slime I have. This is my favorite slime ever. It's so red. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do this. I'm going to try to, like, poke it out of its container. I don't know. It might not work. I think I need to, like, here we go. I'm trying to like poke it from the bottom to get it out. I don't know why. But I think it just looks really cool. You can see like a big glob coming down. Come on. Come on. See? This is so stretchy. Come on, you're getting it. There it is. Yeah, there's none. This is the biggest batch of slime I have. This one's kind of moves on its own, but I still love it. It makes a weird noise whenever you do this. It's like a farting noise. Okay, I'm gonna do this thing for you guys. I have to do it standing up because it's so big and so stretchy. Sorry if you can hear me breathing. I'm so tired. I love this slime so much, I just don't want to put it down anymore. Oh, this video's long. I've never made a really long video before, but this one might be really long. And it fits perfect in its container. On to the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below video ideas. Bye. Whoops.